Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to another really exciting episode of Cooking with Zenja. Thank you for sharing your time and energy in this space with me once again. On tonight's video, I will be making a Philly cheesesteak. So it'll be a mushroom cheese sandwich, a mushroom cheese sub, a pepper and onion mushroom sandwich. I don't know what to call it. Philly mushroom. A mushroom Philly. I'm making a mushroom Philly. I'm making a mushroom Philly. Slowly but surely making my way over to veganism. With that said, we're gonna be trying miyokos. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it's a cultured vegan plant-based mozzarella cheese. I hope it's good. Mushrooms, of course. I usually prefer like a hoagie bread, or I'm a New Yorker, so you know, regular hero buns, but Tarjay did not have that. So we are gonna be using Sara Lee's Artisan sausage rolls.
Some red and green peppers.
Onion, any color's fine. I'm using a red onion, yellow or white work just as well.
Lettuce and tomatoes.
I'm also using this hickory smoke. It gives it a really good barbecue flavor.
And barbecue sauce.
So let's get these chopped up so we can get the process started. I like to let the peppers and onions fry a little bit and soften up before I add my mushrooms because the mushrooms cook in no time. Now that our peppers and onions have been simmering for about 5 minutes, I'm ready to add the mushrooms. Meantime and in between time, while our mushrooms, peppers, and onions are frying, I'm gonna get our buns in the oven so they can get warm and toasty. I'm gonna pop these golden crinkle fries into my air fryer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will be a great side to go with our mushroom Philly.
Nice balance.
If you've had vegan cheese before, then you probably know that it doesn't exactly melt. So I'm gonna grab our mushroom Phillies out of the oven before anything burns, get everything plated, and then get ready for my favorite part, the taste test. Ate the whole thing during the taste test, so I think it's safe to say it was pretty good, y'all. Thank you all once again for spending your time and energy in my space with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. As always, stay beautiful on the inside and out. Peace.